He was always the fierce one, the confident one. Josh Cullen, known for his energy, his stage presence, his swag. But behind the bold image was a boy with one unanswered question.
Recently po parang may nagpakilala po sa akin na, kasi po nagpa-perform kami, siyempre po medyo nakikilala po kami ngayon. Parang may nagpakilala po sa akin na kapatid po ng father ko. Kaso daw po, wala na daw sa katino ang isip, parang na-depressed daw po kasi tapos ayun po. So, nag-move on na lang po.
For the first time in 32 years, he meets the man who gave him life.
Only bingo eh.
Yung tatay ko ba?
So, opo, magandang idea po yun.
May sinasabi si Josh.
Wala?
Yung tatay niya daw.
Ano?
Puntahan daw natin.
Pwede naman, kung gusto mo?
Hindi ko pa na-meet yun.
Grew up without him, but he never let that pain harden his heart. He turned it into music, into strength, into purpose. It took 32 years, but some stories are worth the wait. This isn't just a reunion. This is redemption. This is love rediscovered.
Oh, ayun.
Sakto.
Invite mo sa fan meet.
Daddy.
Ano?
Si Rahul.
Pag na-meet mo siya, anong itatawag mo?
Hindi ko
Patingin
alam.
mo.
Malay ko.
Piling ko, Papa. Papa, kamusta ka na?
Papa.
Kakataan mo siya.
Katuwa lang kasi nagkita sila ng papa niya.
Papa.